What's up, weirdos? We're back at it again, and we're in for another episode of Weirdo Waffles.
Yeah.
So, we've got some guests today.
Yeah, it's a special episode.
And they're kind of scary because they're angry and they're yelling and all this stuff, and we don't know what to do with them, so they're going to make some waffles with us. Mm-hmm. Welcome, Melissa and Justin over there. How you guys? Oh my God, it's so scary. So, do you know what you know about the waffle we're doing today?
Yes.
Are you excited for it?
Yes.
Yeah? Tell us about the waffle we're doing.
No.
No?
It's a secret.
It's not a secret. We gotta tell the fans, so we'll tell them. Tell us about the waffle we're doing.
It's a strawberry waffle.
Yeah? Well, what's so special about it?
You're going to have to watch.
All right.
Find out.
All right.
Yeah.
Top secret.
Yeah.
So what are the ingredients over here?
So this is flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and salt.
Okay.
And then we got the milk.
What kind of milk are we using today?
Oat
milk.
And we got strawberries, of course. Got some oil, eggs. This sugar is going into these egg whites over here.
Oh my gosh.
And then, of course, beaver baku.
There it is.
And we have some other stuff, but that's in this general area. This is just the batter. We've got sauce and whipped cream.
My God, there's like staging areas and all kinds of stuff this time.
It's pretty aggressive. We're experimenting today, I would say.
Oh my gosh, what are we experimenting with? All right, so you got some helpers. So what are you gonna have them do?
So, as I mentioned earlier, we got these egg whites over here. We got to put this sugar into it and then vroom vroom it.
Do vroom vroom. Okay. With the ninja.
Yeah, until it like gets fluffy.
All right.
Kind of like a whipped cream where you get the peaks.
Oh, stiff peaks. What? What's going on over there?
I'm 12. And then have someone help me with the batter.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Go for it.
So
Oh, Justin's going for
There you go. You can go over there.
Justin's going over there.
Come over
There's
here.
a plug right down there. Yeah, you can plug right in there.
All right, let's have you stir this for now. Let's mix that up because I did not do that.
All right.
So nice. Baby ASMR. Ooh,
All right.
So good.
I'm gonna go see it. Check on Justin.
Okay.
I'm not ready.
Well, he's not ready. He's not ready.
I'm just tossing this in here, right?
Yes.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm not the chef, so I just hold the camera.
You got it.
Oh, sorry. Oh, that was an accident.
Now, I was told
That was a
all
collision.
the information I was given about doing this was vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom.
Okay,
That's
so
what she
we're
said.
vrooming.
Vroom vroom. Till it's fluffy.
There it goes.
Okay. Vroom vroom.
Is that enough vroom
Look
vrooming?
at that.
Does it need more vroom
Oh,
vrooming?
right in it.
No more.
It has to be stiff peaks. Keep vrooming. I'll come back to you when that's done with being stiff peaks. How you guys doing over here?
Good. We added oil and vanilla.
All right, and you're adding some
Touch
eggs
it
now.
with those.
All right. Exciting.
Yeah. It's yellow, right?
So picky.
No.
Not quite stiff peaks yet. I think it's still gonna go.
What are the peaks? I don't know what I'm doing.
Ooh, yeah. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Let's do it. Well, it's probably not going to fold because it's still a little liquidy, but I think it's probably because I use different milk.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to use what we have.
Go for it.
Yeah, because it's not really changing consistency. Like, that's...
There we go.
Yeah, it's still pretty...
Creamy.
Got creamier for sure. Yes. All right. You want to fold that?
No, go for it. I don't know how to fold paper. I don't know how to fold paper.
I'm never good at folding. Gotta fold in the cheese.
The cheese.
Old in the cheese.
It's old and foldy.
What?
What? The cheese is old and foldy.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's funny. Strawberries.
Dump them.
I'm excited.
You want to do this one?
No, go for it.
Okay.
Yep.
It's just a big kerplop.
Because it said to use frozen ones on this one, so it's still a little. We're gonna make this hopefully more pink
Okay.
for a certain reason.
Oh, why would it be pink? Why do you have like something wrong with your eye?
Ooh, that's fancy.
No. It's like blood.
I just automatically like made it look yummy.
Looks like a strawberry
Yeah,
milkshake.
it's like it looks strawberry now. Or pepper. Pepper waffles.
Or slime.
Slime? Why would you want it to be slime?
No, I'm asking, does this look like slime?
Kind of looks slimy.
Does this look like pink slime?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I think I should measure it to make sure that each one has the same amount.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we gotta separate.
Because they gotta be
these.
even, right?
They have to be even. We're separating them because now the experiment is about to start.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
The experiment is about to start.
Oh my.
It looks like melted milkshake.
But does it bring all the boys to the yard?
It brought at least 2.
Clop, clop.
We got so much gas now.
Big old chunks of strawberries in there now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you got like 2, almost like exactly the same amounts there. I wonder what we're gonna be doing now.
I don't know. We'll find out.
So now what are you working on?
All right, so I am going to get this blended because I'm making a puree
Okay.
to put into the whipped cream.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, so that is ready to go.
All right.
You know this batter?
What?
It doesn't look like batter. What's going on over here?
You all right over there?
Not for waffles. It's like pancake batter. Look at that.
What's happening?
Look at that.
Oh,
You're supposed to make waffles out of that? That's not going to make a waffle.
pancakes are better.
What? You guys are so mean to the batter. Why are you so mean to the batter?
It's so pink.
You're not even. You're like a melted shake, but not really.
Oh, yeah. And shakes are good.
Yeah, shakes are good, but you're not.
Yeah. You're all chunky and pink. And there's milk in there, and
You're
milk
chunky.
is nasty.
Chunky. Chunky. MFer.
You're worthless slime. Yeah.
What you doing over here, Justin?
I'm being nice to mine.
What? Oh, you're being. Do you want to go
I'm
on the
gonna
patio?
show it a nice, beautiful view.
Oh, okay. You just rocking the stuff around?
I'm loving it and caring for it.
That's normal. I'm uncomfortable. This is okay.
You do your best, and that's all the baby Jesus has to say.
That's all that. Oh, okay. All right.
I was just telling it that you're not good for the mouth, you're really good for the butt.
Where did you get glasses?
Good for the butt. Yeah.
You're good for the butt?
Yeah.
Not good for the mouth.
Yeah.
You taste like you're from the butt.
Yeah, you look like you're nasty.
You nasty.
Ugh.
What's going on out here?
I am.
What? Gloves? I mean, I know you were like gonna love your batter, but
Hey, I try to make sure that this batter is protected.
okay.
Yeah.
So what's with the gloves though?
How about you don't ask questions?
No, we asked for you. We didn't ask for this. We asked good batter, good waffles, and we got this.
wrong with it though?
It's terrible.
Get it.
It's ter-
What? You alright?
We're gonna need a minute.
Okay. I'm just gonna back out here.
What's going on is these batteries for that's it's horrible. It is nobody wants it. It thinks it's gonna be waffles, but it's not.
Is this what you guys do in your spare time?
No? Yes?
You're doing it too.
I'm.
Get out too. You want to come at you?
Oh my god! I'm going back out here. I'm sorry.
You want some of this? Some of this.
Well, you said it was bad. I don't want
It
it.
is, look, right in the trash.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Are you having a relationship with the batter?
I think we're done here.
You have what?
I think we're done.
Are you sleeping with the batter? What's up, guys?
Hello.
You guys all right over there?
Yes.
Seems like you guys had some issues over there.
I didn't have issues. The batter has issues. I was just making it clear.
Justin had a special relationship with the batter
Oh yeah.
and gloves.
Mm-hmm.
Hey man, love is love. You don't need to shame. You don't need to shame people.
Wow.
We about to make this waffle.
All right.
It's not going to be able to perform.
Whoa.
It's really, I'm expecting it to fail. We haven't had a mulligan in a while, but I expect that this will mulligan.
You guys are have some issues about
It's
these
not even
waffles.
sizzling. It's not going to perform.
It's real liquid.
It's under
too.
pressure.
It doesn't feel like a regular waffle batter. It feels like a really shitty waffle batter.
Maybe it's because you guys aren't supporting it.
It doesn't deserve support.
No.
Look at it.
Look at it. Just look at it. Will you look at this thing?
So angry.
It's terrible. Oh no. It's dripping everywhere. This thing has no manners.
Oh,
Disgusting.
Literally no manners. I bet you're gonna spill out everywhere too. Ugh, gross.
Worthless.
Can you rise? See, I knew it. What'd I say? I knew you were gonna spill out. I told you you are just a waste of space.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, are you coming?
Mhm.
I think that it's telling me it's ready, but we know what steam means. So
It's not ready.
this thing's just like I said, it's failing. I don't appreciate it. Appreciate it.
so much anger towards this waffle. I've never
There's
seen
so
it.
much steam. It's clearly not ready, but it's telling me it's ready.
Okay.
Yeah, it's splitting. What'd I say? We're gonna get a mulligan. I knew it. This batter is so late.
Maybe you should be a little bit nicer to it.
It doesn't
What did it ever do to you?
exist.
Scary eyes. Dang.
I'll just go in, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna be disappointed.
Oh man.
Yeah,
Not surprised.
I know,
It's
right?
been a disappointment from the beginning.
From the start.
Super liquidy. Oh, there's so much liquid in there.
There is still. You see it?
Yeah, it's strawberries.
Yeah,
I think that's still got to cook a while.
I know, right?
You guys officially yelled at it enough and ruined it.
It ruined itself.
You got a bad attitude.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Do you want me to hold and you can
Yes, please.
shovel?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, because that's all you're gonna do now is
I know,
shovel.
I'm like, this is like. Good thing we have extra people here, because this is nuts.
You killed it. You made it so upset that it just wouldn't even survive.
Good news is we have another batter. I'm just not sure if it's edible. Is it edible?
Look at that mess you guys created.
It's beautiful. What are you talking about?
All right. Justin wants it.
He stole it.
Let me get over around Justin here.
You're the best batter ever.
This is the one that Justin loved.
You know, scoop it on there.
Yeah.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Still seems liquidy though. Do you love your batter?
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. Oh, jeez. Here it goes.
Oh no. This one's overflowing with love.
Oh gosh. Oh, this
Yeah.
is real bad. You would come on this side.
We're
It's
gonna need
getting
more.
worse.
Can somebody grab some
You
paper
need
towel?
to come on this side.
Oh my gosh. What you doing over there, Melissa?
Research. Scientific research.
There's something up with that one.
It's that one every
Oh.
time. Yep. Mm-hmm.
This is some good research.
Yeah,
Very scientific.
it is.
What have you
Very
discovered?
technical. Huh?
What have you discovered?
Well, I discovered that with my scientific research, my results are off the charts.
They are off the charts. I can see that. There's nothing on the charts
They're off the charts.
because they've come off the charts.
Yes.
Yeah, I get
There
it.
you go.
Exactly. Yeah.
Gotcha.
We're gonna go in.
All right, let's see how the second one did. Give it some words of encouragement, Justin.
You can do it.
It's amazing.
Oh, it's coming out a little bit better than the last one. Okay. See what happens when you're nice to it?
Whoa.
Interesting.
Told you, scientific research.
Off the charts. Hello.
Oh my gosh. They did it, I guess?
Yeah.
Ish. I don't know what they did.
This
Still
was,
confused.
yeah, so this was Melissa's idea like a long time ago. We've been planning it for a while. And I'm sure there'll be stuff popping up here, post. But yeah. But if you've ever seen Ghostbusters 2, there's a scene where they're yelling at the slime to show that when you're negative to it, it reacts negatively. And then I think it gets all sexy.
Yeah.
And then
Nice.
bubbles sexy like big. So they realize it can react differently based on how they're reacting to it. So we were trying to figure out if we were negative to one set of batter, would it come out negatively? Which I think we could say did, at least cooking wise.
They were negative to this one, and it didn't want to cook all the way through, and it cooked several times.
Yeah.
It refused to cook. Justin was exceedingly nice to this one,
Mm-hmm.
and it cooked perfectly fine, and it cooked for the same time. So I'm not really sure how that happened, but science.
Science. I mean, you saw the results. They were off the chart.
So
Off
we're-
the chart.
You gotta try the bad one first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so try the negative one first.
Yeah. Let's try the better one. I think I have the worst one out of all. I don't know if you
It's like
see it.
soup. Alright.
I mean, it might taste okay because I put a sauce and a whipped cream on it. We'll see.
The flavor's still good, but definitely the inside is soupy. There's a good crust on the outside from the cooking, but yeah, the inside, it really just did not work. As Gordon Ramsay would say, it's raw.
Tastes like strawberry shortcake.
It does.
Like Mom's.
Yeah. Just so.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
it's
soggy for
soggy.
sure, yeah. We'll try the other one, because the other one definitely has a better cook on it. Let's see. Better crunch already, crunching all the way through. And it's not soggy in the middle.
Yeah.
Which cooked perfectly.
Wow.
This is kind of bizarre.
The texture is completely different. Mm-hmm.
I didn't think it was gonna be. And okay, so these recipes were exactly the same. You
It
saw
was one
them
batter
split in half.
split into two.
The only thing that's different is they were angry to one, and they were not so angry to the other.
The angry one, to me, like cutting it was a little, like almost a little rubbery.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And this just goes through. Like,
Yeah.
goes through this one. No problem. Yeah, you're right.
It's really bizarre.
The
I didn't expect there to be really any difference.
I really didn't expect there to be any difference at all, but for some reason there's still a difference, and it's the one that they were nice to is really good. It's really crunchy. The other one is like soup on the inside. It's bizarre.
I'm pretty sure you need to be a scientist.
Yeah,
It's
Melissa
the-
had scientific results.
Yeah.
They were off the charts.
This tastes really good though.
Yeah.
I want to figure out this whipped cream though and get it a little bit better. I think this is better. The flavor, yeah, the flavor is very good.
it tastes like jelly.
So this is a little bit different than what we normally do, but it was a fun experiment. I think.
Play around.
It was very fun.
We had a good time. It was fun. I'd like, if you guys are watching and you want us to do other fun experiments, let us know. Comment below, and we'll try them out. You know, let us know what you want us to do and how you want us to do it. We'll give it a shot.
Real recipes only, you nasties.
Oh, gross.
I could hear it.
You can hear it
I could hear what you
through the interwebs.
I heard it.
Oh my gosh.
You nasty. You nasty.
You're nasty. Well, I liked it. I like the good one. The other one is not so pleasurable. But yeah, fun times.
I think all around pleasurable experience for Justin, I would say.
I think Justin had the most pleasure in this whole thing.
Although it was really fun to yell at that.
It was.
No offense, Batter, we weren't trying to mess you up, but that was very interesting.
Right.
That it turned out that way.
Well, until next time, guys,
We're gonna keep eating.
keep eating, like and subscribe, share our stuff, make us famous, all that fun stuff. That way we can have more than 12 viewers.
And your waffle creation might pop up on here if you let us know. So
Absolutely.
There you go.
There you go. Good job.
Bye.
Bye. All right.
Thank you. It's terrible.
What? Why do you?
Show them the results.
You have
Would you
results?
please? Would you please? According to my scientific results, these results are off the charts. Can't you see?
There's
off
no.
the, off the charts.
But there's no graph. Justin literally just locked me out of the patio. He's spending time by himself with the batter. He has gloves on.
I didn't get gloves.